Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Lexar SL500 Portable SSD. It's a sleek and compact storage solution designed for professionals on the move. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the design is really impressive. It's ultra slim, measuring just 4.8 mm at its thinnest point, with a solid aluminum unibody that not only looks stylish but also adds durability. The minimalist design makes it incredibly lightweight at just 43 grams, perfect for slipping into your pocket or attaching to the back of a monitor. Now, let's talk performance. This SSD boasts speeds up to 2000 MB s-read and 1800 MB s-write, which is crucial for tasks like video editing or handling large files. In our tests, it handled 4K video editing with ease, maintaining smooth performance even under heavy workloads. Whether you're editing on a Mac or a PC, the SL500 delivers reliable speed and responsiveness. What sets this apart is its versatility. It's not just for laptops. It's fully compatible with devices like the iPhone 15 Pro and Max, allowing you to expand your storage capacity and record high-quality video directly to the SSD. Plus, it comes with Lexar Data Shield software for added security, which is a nice touch for professionals who prioritize data protection. On the positive side, the ultra-slim build and high-capacity storage make it perfect for professionals needing mobility without sacrificing performance. The sleek design and sturdy build quality are definitely standout features. However, one potential drawback is the single USB-C port which, while modern, might require some adjustment if you're used to multiple connection options. Also, keep in mind the price point, as this SSD does come at a premium compared to some alternatives. In conclusion, the Lexar SL500 Portable SSD is a top contender in the portable storage market. It's designed for those who need speed, reliability, and portability in one sleek package. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or just someone who values efficient data management, this SSD ticks a lot of boxes. That wraps up our review of the Lexar SL500 Portable SSD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and comparisons. And as always, drop your comments below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, thanks for watching Product Critique.